Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm changing the wiper blades on my '02 Suburban. I swear it seems like every year I have to learn this all the way over again, either because they change the way the blade attaches slightly, or I just forgot how to do it. Anyway, here it is for you guys and gals again. These old blades that are coming off, and I don't know, I'll tell you what brand it is if I can find it after I take it off. Here's the locking thing right there. You have to press that in that direction like that, and then that one just kind of stays there because the plastic's old and hard. Then I like to put a little, this is a little pick, a little something through that slot there, and just pull. I might need two hands. I'm trying to push that thing and pull at the same time. Alright, I'm going to have to put it down. Anyway, I need two hands. Push this out of the way, pull towards the car. Okay, that shows it's come off. They get sort of welded together. It's not really welding, obviously, but because of the weather and everything, they get stuck together. The blade part and the arm part. So now this is ready to come off. So pull it down and then just move it a little bit one way or the other so it slides out through that hole right there. Okay, so now you can see the locker in there. And let's see if I can figure out what this was. Well, I found some numbers and letters on the rubber part there, but I guess they were not proud enough of their product to even put their name on it. So who knows? Maybe I got it at Napa, maybe I got it at Costco, maybe I got it at Pep Boys. It could be any one of a dozen brands. This one that I'm putting on is a Michelin that I got at Costco. I think it cost me $8 or $9 each. Sometimes they're on special. You get them for even a little less than that. But these old ones were really shot on both ends, so I couldn't wait. So put the new one on. See how I'm holding it? This is going to slide up like that. Slide it in. Slide it in. So it's got a hole. See the hole there? So you're going to put that hole like that and just turn it a little bit, just like that, and then pull it that way. I might need two hands for this. And so maybe not. There. I got it almost all the way on there. Alright, let me put the camera down for a second and check. So you want to shove it on far enough. Look right here real close. There's a couple of little edges or lips there, and this metal part wants to be past those. So it doesn't really lock it on there, but that shows you how far it wants to be on there. Okay? While you're doing this, take a little tiny wire, see that? And this is where the windshield washer fluid comes out. And just take it and poke it in that hole a few times. So this tube feeds the windshield washer fluid out here, but it narrows down, and this tends to get clogged up. And a lot of times if you are not getting a good spray on your windshield, it's because there's been some deposits that have clogged that up. So just take a wire and poke it in there. Let's do the other side. I think hook is most common, but these are all the different types of attachments that this will work with. Hook, side pin with a lock, side lock, top lock narrow, okay? So we're doing this one. Here's one other way you can tell if it's on all the way. Locking tabs have to show in this position. I think that's what I was showing you actually. See, this is the metal piece, the arm, and this is the wiper assembly that you just put on to those tabs. Okay, do the other side. All right, if you don't happen to have the one that I'm doing, here's some other connectors that you can use, and the instructions will tell you to take out the one that comes pre-installed. That's that one, and then you put these in there. I'm not going to go into that. I basically ended up breaking this side off because the plastic was just so old and rotten and dried out and brittle that it didn't work. Okay, so here's the other side, and then this is kind of important. Those are the two little tabs that have to be showing. The gap should be that big to ensure this is all the way on. If this is not all the way on and locked, it could come off while you're using it. These blades look pretty nice. They've got this covering that's over a lot of this mechanism part of it. Actually, it might even be kind of a different design underneath there. Updated design to help hold it flat onto the glass. And also this helps protect the deterioration of the rubber part. It's probably rubber silicone something in these newer ones. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or a like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye. I took this apart a little bit more, and I can see a date. Manufacturing date 11/22/10, and this is 2018. Froggy should be ashamed of himself for having that blades on there that long. But I still don't know who made the darn thing. I don't know. Anyway, see you later, guys and gals. Froggy out.